Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you know already, my favorite car brands are Mercedes and Opel, but there's also a third one that I haven't mentioned, and that's the point of the video today. My third favorite brand is Lamborghini. Especially I like Lamborghinis in orange color, but I also like them yellow and white color. So with this video I'm gonna start a series about Lamborghini cars, so stay tuned for more amazing videos. And now, without further ado, let's start with this amazing Lamborghini Gallardo. It has amazing Lamborghini orange color and also black wheels. The car is truly amazing. Let me take it out of the box so you can see it better. From every angle, the model looks just awesome. Okay guys, so this is gonna be it for my first Lamborghini video. For more Lamborghini videos, please subscribe and stay tuned. Also, if you're looking to buy this amazing Lamborghini, please check the link down in the description. As always, thanks for watching and have a good one.